I think let's just start the session. So let's start the session. This is our wax, paraffin wax. You can also use beeswax. Okay, and we'll be using this. Plus, we'll be using binder. Binder is like you really not need to use this, but sometimes when your wax is not in a good condition, so you need binder. Fine. I think you can focus here. Hi Ritu Klekar. So we'll be using kettle for heating our wax. These are our molds. There are different molds. You can use any, and this is basically for flower making. Like you can see the pattern over here. So this is for flower, and there are many more patterns available, many more molds available in the market. You can use any as per your convenience. Plus you can use your waste utensils also for the candle making, for different designs or whatever you wish to make in candles. So you can use them. Hi Ragini. So we'll be using wax, plus I'll be showing you how to make white clear wax candle, because if we'll be using this one, I'll be showing you the difference if we'll be making candle without any pigment and with color. So I'll be adding my wax. So I'll be making in this small one. So I'm using this much of wax only. You need not to actually measure the wax, because if you heat up the more, so there would be no harm effects. Actually, you can reuse it again. So I'll be putting it in a kettle. Plus I'll be adding binder, because I don't want my candle to look little that khicha type. So I'll be adding 1.5 binder. Fine. Plus for the color, you can use your oil pastels and crayons. Okay, you need not to buy those expensive pigment colors or anything else. You can use your crayons, but make sure you use oil pastels, right? Like this. I'm using oil pastels, not that plastic ones. I'm using these ones. Video is blur. Is it clear now? Hi, do let me know. Is the video clear now? If I'm audible, please message me. Is video clear? Because here I can see clarity, but you are messaging me video is blur. So yeah. It's clear. Okay, great. Thanks, Jyoti. So you need not to use pigment colors. You can use, but make sure you'll be using oil pastels, not those plastic ones or those soft crayons. No. So I'll be putting. Okay, I have white, so I'll be putting this one. This is violet, dark violet. So you can just break it this much and put it in your kettle, right? I hope you can see it. Do share the video, guys, because I know last moment थोड़ा सा fuss create हो गया because of some issue. So लोग ज़्यादातर सबको Facebook का पता है and they are waiting. Sorry, YouTube का पता है and they are waiting on YouTube. So please share the video. Okay, so I'll be heating this one. just heat up your wax. Make sure you heat up on low flame or on medium, not on high, as it might can catch fire. Fine. By the time being my wax is on the burner, let's start dressing our mold. So firstly you need to oil your mold. Okay, I use my hands, you can use cotton or anything, but yeah, make sure to grease it nicely. Fine. So make sure to grease it very nicely, else your wax will not come out. Trust me, it will create hustle later on. Okay, so, and this is my wig. Okay, wig, for wig is basically like this, plain. For using it in your candle, you need to put your wig in your wax. I have already put it in my wax, like just dip it in your kettle, heating wax, and just clean it with some waste cloth. Fine. So I have already done it because I am using this. So I have already done my wig. So just put it in the mold. Hi Suman, hi Shivani. So here we go. So leave this much space because you need to have your wig straight, right? So leave this much and cut the rest. Like this. For sealing my wig from the top, I am using atta. Okay, just seal this one. It will prevent your wax from coming out of the mold or creating any that clumsiness. Vibha, you can easily get the material from any craft shop. It is very much easily available, plus on Amazon or any online store. So yeah, okay, I'm fixing it. Make sure to use your like newspaper very wisely. And my wax is melting nicely. I hope you can see the color. You can give it shades the way you want to, like much more darker, lighter, very dark. It's totally up to you. I have used a little bit of color. You can pour the complete color if you want darkest shade, but I want little lighter, so I added this much only. So we're not going to heat our wax too much, because if we'll be heating it, there are no use. So heat it little less. And don't directly pour your wax into your mold, as it will come out, because this is too hot, and that atta will like react with each other and kind of make a papdi type stuff. So yeah, थोड़ा सा इसको ठंडा करेंगे. And be very careful guys, because wax बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाती है, तो जब by chance गलती से गिर गई तो बहुत ज़्यादा बर्न होता है. So बच्चों को दूर रखें, especially when you are working with melted wax. Jyoth Sehraj, you can buy the material easily from any craft shop, whether it's like local craft shop, or you can also buy from the online store like Amazon. They are also selling the kits. Binder is basically when you feel your wax is totally waste and you don't want to waste your money, frankly speaking, because binder nowadays is available. But yeah, I wax is of good quality, but sometimes when you are not sure whether your wax is of good quality or not, then we'll go for binder. So okay, now my wax is little okay. I can pour it and start pouring it from the center, like from this place. I hope you all can see. And try to pour it in one go. Okay, here we are. And now for the wick, take any stuff and just keep it in the center. Oh, this is very tricky part sometimes. This is the most tricky part, because sometimes wax, actually 90% cases wax fell out of the mold during this stage. So you need to be very careful. And I'll be really sorry if this come out in the live session. Okay, hopefully it's not fine. So it will take time. So we don't have that much time because it will take nearly about a day to completely dry. So I have a candle made up for you. Like this is a white candle on which we'll be working. This will take a complete day for complete drying. If this dries up during the session, then I'll definitely show you how to demold this, but there is no such hard and fast rule. You just have to take out your atta from the back side, and this is the stuff where we have put it our atta. So यहाँ से अपना आप आटा हटाएंगे and it will easily come out swiftly, like you just flip it and it will come out easily. So there is no hard and fast rule to demold the stuff. So let it sit for a day and I'll be showing you how to design this. Fine. So we'll be using our colors to design our candle. And yesterday I have posted a picture of something which was really cute actually, which everyone thought that I just made or tried something in food industry, but no, this was the stuff, and I hope it is visible. Just a second, let me. So this is a candle, basically a cupcake design candle, a pastry design candle, you can see. Okay, and here are the designs. Like this is my gel candle. Okay, this is my candle which I designed using henna and sparkle tube. You can see the difference. I think here I have added the white color, so this is purely completely white, and in this I haven't used any color, so you can see little difference in color. Is this visible difference? So this I made without any white crayon, and this I have made using white crayon. So it will emboss the look of my candle. And this is my colored candle which I was designing, but it is not complete yet. This is darker blue, then light, and then again dark on the top. And this is my candle of different shades. I hope you can see this. What you added? Neelam, I added what? For what you are asking? Sorry, I didn't get your question. For colors you are asking. For giving it this color, what have I added? Okay, here I have used the colors, plus as this is decoration piece, so I have used the thermocol balls. You can use anything like stones or beads, because this is for the decoration purpose, right? We don't literally use the designer candle for burning, but if you wish to, you can. We definitely use these for gifting purposes, so you can use as per your convenience, as per your need. Fine. So these are my candles. Dress candles I have posted on my page. So sorry, I don't have those with me, that cup and saucer candle, because that is sold out. So if you wish to order that, you can order that, or if you want me to make candle on in cup and saucer, so you can message me, I can make that one. Hi Arjun, hi Shikha. I don't know Arjun, what happened to you? Why are you sending me this face? Okay, so we'll be designing using our acrylic cones, like these outliners. You can use cones, you can use glitters if you wish to. We'll be using these things. Okay, so let's just start designing our candle. So I have this pen with me just to okay, so this is my black fabric 3D cone. So I'll be designing using this. Is this visible? Or should I zoom it little more? Guys, is this visible or should I zoom it more? Okay, so we'll start designing. You can make any design, you can write names, you can stick pictures using decoupage technique. If you want me to do candle decoupage, so do message me. I'll try to make video very soon. And those who have joined late, guys, video will be here on my page as well as on my YouTube channel. So do check out our YouTube channel too. There are variety of materials and projects posted on my channel. There is a video related to, I think, everything: hand casting, calligraphy, fridge magnet. Today I'll be posting this candle also. सार्थक हम कैंडल बना रहे हैं और कैंडल को डिजाइन कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, कि हमने कैंडल कैसे बना सकते हैं और कैंडल को इजीली घर में डिजाइन कैसे कर सकते हैं. You can do that finishing work later on also. The way we used to make our mehndi design, you can make mehndi designs. If you don't have black, so you can also use henna. It is about to burst. Guys, do share the video so that more people can join in. Hello Archana. Jyot, yes, you need not to buy a binder. First check your wax whether it is of good quality or not, and I told you, like, if your wax is little that fata types or you find it little clumsy, then you need to buy a binder, else you need not to specifically go and look out for binders. You can directly use paraffin wax or beeswax and use any pastel oil colors, oil pastels. It's okay, ma'am. You can check the video later on. If you have joined late, so video will be here as well as on my YouTube channel. Do check out, guys. We have posted so many beautiful projects over there, and I'm sure you'll love them. You can make any design. You can do doodle. You can make henna design, write names, anything. Or you can make mixed color candle and just leave it as it is. Okay, so this is my black color. Now I'll be adding a little red. You can also do it using zero size brush and your acrylic colors. With wax you can play with any design and you can make anything. Like I have made a candle in a seashell, in cup and saucer. I think almost in each and everything I have poured my wax. It's up to you and your creativity basically. Thank you, Abhilasha. Thank you guys for joining in on such a short notice. Oh, thank you so much. And I'm sorry for so much of silence. I was so much busy in my designing. Hi Kalpana, hi Gartha. So this is my top, almost done. This is the top of my candle. This is the back. You can use glitters if you wish to. I would love to use golden. Kalpana, we are just about to end our session. You can rewatch the video, and video will be on this page and also on my YouTube channel. And there are variety of videos and variety of tutorials upon my channel. You can visit. Yes, we are making candle, and in the starting we shared the procedure of how to make the candle, and right now we are designing the candle. You can design your candle with anything, whatever you have, with your colors, and you can also stick pictures. You can do decoupage, you can do painting, and do let me know if you wish to have decoupage candle tutorial. So I'll be posting that, or we can go live as you wish to have. And my candle is almost done. You can totally avoid the glitter if you wish to, but I love glitter, so I am adding it. Hi Shilpa. So my candle is almost done. This is the back of my candle. This is the top. And this is the front of my candle. I hope you can see this. I don't know whether the colors are totally visible. Is the design visible? Guys, is the design visible? Hi Sadhna. So this is my candle. I hope you like the candle. Yes, we are using these fabric cones. You can use zero size brush and fabric colors. So this is my candle for today. I'll be posting the clear picture once it completely dries up. You can use any design, you can stick any design. You can do decoupage as I have shared in the starting. And if you wish to have the tutorial on decoupage, so you can let me know decoupage on the candle. So we'll plan out for that also. You can check out the videos on YouTube channel. Link I'll be posting after the video. And this is my like simple cute chutkusa candle, which looks like muffin or some sweet sugary stuff. Okay, do you want me to light up this candle? Okay, I was not prepared for this. Just a second, I have to get my matchstick. We usually don't light up our designer candle, but yeah, these are completely safe, so you can light up the candle. Please show me the colors you used. So here we go. Now I cannot pick it up. I hope it's visible. So here is our candle for today, and yeah, we have used these colors. We have used glitters, these cones, and these are my own candles, my cute candles. So you can see the difference. This one I made using white color, and this I just designed only and only with the wax without any color. So you can see the difference. You can make as per your convenience, but yes. So these are my candles for today. And you can stick your stones using fabric glue or your normal Fevicol as you wish to. Thank you so much.